We are at Burdette Park Campground in Evansville, Indiana, and I gotta say, parking this thing around that tree was not very easy. We also had an incident on our way in. I'll tell you about that in another video, but I'm just going to give you the view of the site. This is site number 1. I will say this place has a very nice, almost looks like brand new playground, which is awesome, but that's the only thing I can say about the entire park. It is 50/30 water and sewer. You can use a heated water hose. They let you do that, and they have heat going to the spigots, which is a good thing. I just filled up my fresh tank, and I'll just use that. I don't want to run the risk. I do have a heated water hose, but I don't want to be responsible for a faucet breaking. Do have sewer. I'm not hooked up to it. We're only here for 2 nights, but let me take you around the back side. I am pretty much all the way at the back, and what I had to do is come down this road. You can take a look at some of the other campers and see what you might think about the campsite, but I had to come down this road and swing in here and try to not hit the tree. Got real close to the tree, had to back it up a couple of times, get it pulled forward, backed up to here. It is not level. There's quite a bit of slope, you can see at the back versus here at the front. It does come with a picnic table, no fire pit, no grill. Apparently this may be the only site that they actually rent. The others look like full-timers. I'll show you around the entire campground in just a little bit. Well, starting out at Burdette Park didn't work out so well. We caught a tree limb last night coming in, and I'll show you where in just a little bit, but I've got to do something with this awning arm and tie the awning up. Also bent it on this side. There at the top it is bent sideways. Well, it is 22 degrees in Evansville, Indiana right now, and I am outside because I've got to figure out a way to secure our awning, because we're on our way to Springfield, Illinois, and then back home, and I don't want the awning falling off in the middle of the highway somewhere. I'll show you what the park looks like here in just a minute. Very disappointed. Well, this is Burdette Park. This is the campground office. Supposed to stop here and check in. We had a late check-in, so we had to go up to the camp host office to check in last night. It was about 7:30. The campground is just a big loop with a road through the center that comes out right here, but we'll just kind of do a quick walk around. Last night, as we were pulling in, we had to come around this corner, and we have a 41-foot fifth wheel, and we had to make this turn, and there were multiple cars parked out there and here, and we ended up hitting the top of that tree on our awning. Ripped the awning, bent the frame, had to back all the way back out and around and get a wider turn, and had to barely miss 3 vehicles that were parked right here. Nobody was home to move them, to then finally make it down this road to get to our campsite. And then I had to dodge the tree at the other end. But it does appear that most of these people just live here. Giant smoker even. But we won't be back.